Yes, this is intentional, but I'll be showing you how you make her. This is the height and head size, skin color outline. Oh yeah, pause the video if you want to closely look at these. These are the hair colors. Ignore the background noises. These are the hair. Yeah, just the hair. These are the things that I have to do for the eyes, eyebrows, and pupils. I'm giving her star pupils so I can easily change them to these whenever she's doing something sinister, or turn them to crosses when she is knocked out. Blue eyebrows, a pink nose, normal mouth covers, blush 9, blush position 13. It doesn't matter where the eye position is, eye views are. I prefer highlight to 1. Obviously use the propeller hat. Pink, yellow, dark pink. Yeah, that's it. Wait, import, no. Export. Oh yeah. Here's the little code. I think I might put it in the description. That's all for now. See ya.